Welcome to today's math challenge. Today we are going to be discussing a question that involves the concept of loci. The question states that a point moves so that it is always 5 units away from the point 2, 3. Find the equation of the locus of the point. This means that the point is located on a circle centered 2, 3 with a radius of 5 units. First, let us understand what is meant by the term locus. A locus is a set of all points that meet a certain condition. In this case, the condition is that the point is always 5 units away from the point 2, 3. We can represent this condition by using the equation of a circle. So, what is the equation of a circle? The equation of a circle states that x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. So what is a and b? A is 2 and b is 3. A and b is the center of the circle and r is the radius of the circle, which is 5. Substituting the given values, we get x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 5 squared. This finally gives us x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 25. And that is the equation of the locus of the point.